About 1:30 a.m. on Saturday the 22nd of January 2022, police were called to a residence in Kambah following reports for disturbance. Police located a man there with head injuries. The man gave an explanation of the cause of his injuries, which did not disclose an offence. The man was then taken to hospital by ACT Ambulance Service paramedics for treatment. The man checked himself out of hospital about 12:25 p.m. that afternoon and returned to his home. He was seen alive by neighbours later that afternoon. About 11:30 a.m. on Sunday, the 23rd of January, police received a report that the man could not be contacted. Upon attending the man's residence, officers located him deceased inside. ACT Police in Criminal Investigations commenced an investigation, and about 11:30 p.m. last night, a 49-year-old Kambah man was arrested. He will face the ACT Magistrates Court this morning, charged with murder. I would urge anyone who has any further information about this incident to contact police or Crime Stoppers on 1800 333 000. Thank you. Any questions? The full circumstances surrounding their relationship will be subject to our investigation.
What were the initial head injuries?
Well, he had a number of injuries to his head, but again, obviously while we're still going through the early stages of the investigation, part of that will include a full examination of his injuries.
Was there any motive?
Again, that'll form subject to our investigation.
How long the victim may have been deceased for before it's found?
That'll form part of our investigation.
Can you tell us anything about any injuries or any signs of broken entry to the property once it was located?
No, not at this point in time. As I said, that'll form part of the investigation. Yeah.
Were there any items taken from the home?
We're still conducting an examination of all of the scenes there, so that'll form part of that as well.
How long do you expect police to remain at the scene?
These processes can take a number of days. Obviously, we want to be methodical and ensure that we collect all of the information that are available to us. We've spoken to a vast array of people who live in the vicinity there, and as I said, I would encourage anybody that we haven't yet spoken to who may have information to make themselves known to us or Crime Stoppers. With the advances of technology now, that's always a likelihood. So if people do have information that may assist or may have been within the relevant areas at the relevant periods, we would ask that they make themselves known to us so we can, I suppose, make that assessment and see if there's any information that could assist the investigation. I don't have any information about that, sorry. Anything else? Alright. The circumstances of their involvement with police will form part of our investigation. Obviously, we had an involvement with him on the Saturday in response to that disturbance, and then located him deceased yesterday. Anything else? Okay, thank you very much for your time.